Here's something that'll make you really uncomfortable. 95% of business leaders say they desperately need training in AI. Well, 72% of those same leaders claim to be AI experts. If your team isn't already using AI daily, and I'm not just talking about playing around with it, I mean actually using it, you're already 6 months behind your competition. But here's the thing, it's not your fault. Traditional AI training is broken. It's just way too long, way too technical, and too disconnected from real work. So today, I'm giving you a 60-minute framework that you can use to transform your resistant AI teams into AI power players. No code, no jargon, just results. So look at these numbers. 77% of small businesses have already bought AI tools. That's awesome, right? Well, here's the problem. Only 16% actually use them every day. Do you know what that means? The average business is wasting $348 per employee per year on unused AI subscriptions. For a 50-person company, that's over $17,000 literally thrown away. But the real cost? Well, you're figuring out training. Your competitors are already using AI to respond to customers 37% faster, create content 10 times quicker, and cut operational costs by 30%. Traditional training doesn't work because it treats AI like Excel and PowerPoint, and it's not. AI is completely different. So we need a different approach to training. And the good news about all this is when you do it right, the transformations are incredible. But first, I want to destroy 3 myths that are stopping you from adopting AI right now. Myth 1, AI training takes weeks or months. Here's the reality. In 60 minutes, your team can be productive using AI, and I'll prove it. Myth 2, my team needs technical skills. Well, let's face it, if your team can send a text message, they can use AI. These aren't programming tools anymore. They're conversational tools. Myth 3, AI will replace my employees. So look, AI is not going to replace anybody. AI is a tool that's meant to augment the work we already do. Look at Grind Coffee in London. They're using it to boost their productivity. They're not firing people, they're hiring people who know how to use AI. So here's what actually happens. Your receptionist becomes a customer experience designer. Your content writer, content strategist, and your data entry clerk becomes your data analyst. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces all the tasks that nobody wants to do. Our 60-minute AI transformation framework has 4 parts. And why 60 minutes? Science shows adult attention spans drop after 20 minutes without interaction. Our framework has interaction built in every 7 minutes, so your team stays engaged, and more importantly, they retain what they learn. So part 1, the opening hook, we address fears head on and show the magic of AI. In part 2, our hands-on discovery, we show 3 tools, real tasks, and immediate wins. Part 3, practice power hour. Your team applies AI to their actual work. And part 4, the momentum maintenance, lock in the learning with clear next steps. Now let me show you how to actually use it. So here's how you want to open up your training. You want to ask everybody in the room, by show of hands, who's used AI this morning? Kind of pause, wait, and then you want to let everybody know that they've all used AI. Your phone's face recognition, email spam filtering, Netflix recommendation, that's all AI. But do you see what we just did? We made AI familiar to everybody. Next, you gotta address the elephant in the room. You gotta let everybody know AI is not coming after their job, but the person who knows AI might. And you let them know that's why they're all here. Ask everybody how long it takes to plan a month of social media content, and ask them to be honest. Get their responses and show them this. Create a 30-day social media content calendar for a local bakery. Include post ideas, captions, best posting times, and hashtags. Mix educational, promotional, and engaging content. Format as a table. Once you click it and it completes its response, slowly scroll through, showing every detail. Then what you want to do is type this. Show that it's going to adapt instantly. There's no starting over, no creative blocks, just results. And this is why everyone's here in the training. They're not here to learn coding, they're not here to learn algorithms, but but to take the most annoying, time-consuming parts of their job and make them totally disappear. And let everyone in the room know that by the end of this hour, they're going to be able to do something like this with their own work. And then ask them, who's ready to get their time back? Now here's the secret sauce. Only teach 3 tools in the first session. Anything more than that gets overwhelming. Now this one always gets at least one reaction. Let them know you recorded your morning stand-up on your phone. 15 minutes of people talking over each other. Look at this mess. And just like that, 15 minutes of chaos becomes crystal clear action. And the kicker? You're actually listening in your meetings and not scrambling to take notes. Now here's something that usually costs $500 from a consultant. Type exactly this. Let everyone in the room know they just saw AI do professional competitive analysis in minutes. If everyone in the room did this monthly, you'd be way ahead of the competition. Now this one's my favorite. See these 50 customer survey responses? Watch what happens when I type this. 50 customers just got individual, thoughtful responses. What used to take 2 hours took 2 seconds. Notice the pattern? We're not eliminating human judgment. We're just eliminating the grunt work. You're still telling the AI what to do. We're just using it to do it 50 times faster. And here's the amazing thing about this part of the framework. Everyone's succeeding. We're showing, not telling. And your team is doing, not watching. This is where the magic happens. Real work in real time. Give them this challenge. Think of one task you hate doing every week. Let's make AI do it instead. And the key? Pair people up. Tech confident with tech nervous. They'll teach each other. And here's a psychological trick. When someone helps a colleague succeed with AI, they become an advocate. You're not just training, you're building an army of AI champions. The last 5 minutes determine whether this sticks or disappears. Have everyone write down one specific AI task they'll complete this week. Not explore AI, that's too vague, but something like use ChatGPT to write Monday's team update email. Then you need to set up your support system. So set up your Slack channel or team group for questions, and also include a weekly 15-minute AI wins to share across the company. Now, most importantly, if you can't do anything else, at least do this. Schedule your next session right now. Momentum dies without a date in the calendar. Don't just take my word for it. Look what happens when businesses nail this. Grind Coffee has 350 employees, 14 London locations. What happened after they started adopting AI into their workflow? Their marketing campaigns were created 50% faster. At Newman's Own, their CEO made AI training mandatory. The results? 70 hours saved monthly. That's almost 2 full work weeks. And statistics don't lie. These numbers are insane. 37% faster task completion, 40% quality improvement, 25% cost reduction, 90% employee satisfaction. But here's the best part. These aren't even tech companies. These are restaurants, dentists, accountants, manufacturers. It's not just tech companies that are benefiting from AI, it's everyone. Yours can too. So here's your action plan. Today, schedule your 60-minute session this week. Identify your AI champions. Those are the people who are curious about AI. This week, run your first training session. Set up the support Slack, Teams channel, share one early win with your team. This month, 80% of the team actively using at least one AI tool. Measure time saved. Run a second session with advanced techniques. And for ongoing, monthly AI innovation meetings, quarterly new tool explorations, annual AI strategy review. Remember, perfect is the enemy of done. And your first session, probably gonna be a bit messy, but that's okay. Starting messy is better than not starting at all. You can also visit Bite Size Automation and book a free 15-minute implementation call. We'll customize the framework for your specific industry and team. I know this feels like a lot. I just want you to remember something. Every company out there that's implementing AI successfully started exactly where you're at. The only difference is they started. I'm Brett Mercado from Bite Size Automation. Subscribe for more weekly content. And remember, your competition's training teams right now. Your move.